Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you that how we have created this kind of graphics and create a post for our social media like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, much more. So you can this tutorial is about to teach you about how to create a post for your social media. So I'm gonna add a post here. So I have created these posts using my mobile phone. I have the same account like this, and you can also download this Adobe Spark in your mobile phone. So if you want to create any post for your any of social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and much more actually. There are lots of social media posts available here. You can simply create a post. I'm gonna create a thumbnail for the YouTube right now, just to show you there are some options that social graphics, photo, slide, and innovation, flares, cover, collage, and Instagram and something. These are the default sizes of their posts, so you don't want to uh, make a size and their size, and you can just log into your Adobe Spark account and you are good to go. There are something like promo video. You can also create a video using your mobile phone or iPhone actually. The Spark Post is available for the Android phones, but the video thing will available in the iPhone devices. So you can just simply, I'm gonna create a post which is a YouTube thumbnail, and it will resize of our uh, default size of the YouTube thumbnail, and there are lots of graphics out there. You can also explore these, and once it will be created and you are able to share your social media directly from the Adobe Spark. So there are many of options that you can create and publish into your uh, website or maybe your social medias, and there are lots of features using of the transitions and animations, and here we go. We have the blank page here, and let me create some posts. There is a designs. This suggests us these layouts for the instance, and we need to just simply grab these posts. Actually they are not loading because I'm gonna just, yeah, here we go. These kind of layouts, you can choose one of these layouts whatever you want. You just need to simply click here, and it will automatically get there. I'm gonna click this and change the text with the name of trendy tech pro, and simply click the done button, and it will automatically grab these buttons. And here we have a logo which we need to remove once. So close from here. There are lots of colors variations that you can also use this in your background, and you can also change the text color. Maybe I'm gonna use this one, and this is looking so nice. And you can also change your thumbnail sizes or background image sizes, whatever you like. And you can also change this by clicking the replace and delete this, and get some info about this image. So there you can add your own brand logo, so it will automatically redirect your every post into this. And you can just move this, and if you want to delete this, I'm gonna press the delete key from my keyboard, and then you can have the multiple color schemes here. You can also check these. I think that would be more attractive, and this is fine. This is also looking good. So you can also choose your own color scheme for your post, and there are lots of layouts that you can change. I'm gonna simply just click, and layout will automatically applied. And I'm gonna add some more effects into this, like this. So if you click once, the layout is applied, and if you want to shuffle these images, you can just click on that shuffle button. So your images placing would be automatically shuffled. So um, you can easily find whatever you want in your post. So you can also create these posts using your mobile phone also, and it will automatically save into your Adobe Spark, and you can easily manage these posts into your using your mobile phone or laptop. So there are lots of sizes, which is Instagram landscape, and Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, blog post, thumbnail size. And if you have created any design and you want to change this into any of your size, for example, I have created a YouTube thumbnail, but I want to use this into my Facebook, so it will automatically resize your design and apply for the exact color of that social media size. So there are a few things that we need to follow here, that if we are creating a thumbnail, and we need to choose thumbnail from here. So uh, the post is ready to go, and you can add some if you want to creating a post for Instagram. So and you want to add a animation here, and I'm gonna add animation style. Actually, the effects here, there are lots of things that you need to just animate these kind of sessions. And so there are multiple posts that you can create and publish for your own brand. So feel free to come up is to Adobe Spark website, and you are good to go. You just need to just simply log in, and log in into your mobile phone. That is free for now, but in future I think the branding thing will be premier in future, but for now it's free. So that's all for now, guys. That is how you can create a post for your social media. So um, hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon for the latest updates of any of the tool that we are working on. We are working some kind of technologies where you will learn about user interface and user experience, and multimedia also. So you can also visit our website, which is listed in our comment in our comment section below, actually the description section. So see you guys in the next video.